Welcome to Strength of Material lectures by Civil Thinking, and in this lecture we are going to solve a problem on elastic constants. Now in the previous lecture we have seen the elastic constants and the relations between them. Now today we are going to solve a problem on it. The problem is on your screen. A material has Young's modulus of 2.1105 Newton per millimeter square and Poisson's ratio of 0.29. Now we have to calculate the bulk modulus and the modulus of rigidity. Now you know the elastic constants, they are denoted like this. E is the Young's modulus, okay, and it is equal to 2.1105 Newton per millimeter square. Now Poisson's ratio is denoted with the Greek letter mu and it is 0.29. The bulk modulus, we have to find the bulk modulus and the modulus of rigidity. Now the bulk modulus is denoted with K, okay, it is bulk modulus, and the modulus of rigidity is denoted with C, and some textbooks denote it with G, okay. Now I will denote it with C. It is modulus of rigidity, okay. Now we have to find this K, bulk modulus, and we have to find the modulus of rigidity C. Now you have to remember these relations, okay. It's better you just remember them, you don't have to derive them every time. Just remember K is equal to E divided by 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 mu, and you have also to remember C is equal to E divided by 2 multiplied by 1 plus mu, okay. Now the bulk modulus, we will put the values here. Now E is 2.1105 Newton per millimeter square, and it is 3 divided by 1 minus 2, mu is 0.29, okay. Now when you solve this using the calculator, I got the value 1.675, okay. Now it is, E is in Newton per millimeter square, and mu, it is a Poisson's ratio, it does not have a unit, so overall the unit is Newton per millimeter square, right? So we get the value of bulk modulus K to be 1.675 Newton per millimeter square, okay. Now here we will put the value of E, it is 2.1105 Newton per millimeter square, 2 multiplied by 1 plus mu, Poisson's ratio is 0.29, okay. Now when you use the calculator, I get the value to be 0.818, and of course it is Newton per millimeter square. So we also get bulk modulus of rigidity C to be 0.818 Newton per millimeter square. In this way we solved the problem on relation among elastic constants in strength of materials. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this lecture. Now please remember these two formulas, and also I want to tell you, you can download the PDF solution of this from the description, okay. The link is in the description. Also you can contact me to provide any solutions to your problems. I can help you in solving strength of material, engineering, mechanics, statics problems. The link to contact me is in the description, okay. You can contact me from there. So that's it for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.